Yes, sir.
My boy got the win, bro.
Come on, man.
That shit is hot, bro.
Come on, man. Yeah, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rafi, and I'm back with another video, man. Today's a very, very sad day. So I'm letting go of my best friend. No, not Alex or Nico. No, not anybody else. My baby Rocky. Rocky, say something. Hit that subscribe button.
Okay, I'll stand with you?
Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
Thanks to New Hope Auto Sales. Everybody
Right
come
on.
get your cars from over here.
Yeah, you know what? As Alex would say, tap the ass on this thing.
Yes,
boy.
sir.
Yeah, open the door.
Yes,
Damn. This thing clear.
come on, man.
The light for hook.
Come on, man. You know we do. Come on, man. You
Yes,
know we
sir.
do this for real.
That shit's tough. Yo, you.
Yes, sir.
My boy got the win, bro.
Come on, man.
That shit is hot, bro.
Come on, man.
Bro.
You know how we rocking?
Yo, what? This shit is tough.
We do a little something.
You know what's crazy? You're not smart enough to even read this shit, so that's just.
Your mom.
That bitch is bad, bad. Damn, girl, what's up? Damn, girl, what's up? Damn, girl, that bitch is bad. Damn, what you do? Damn, what you do? Damn, what you do? That bitch is bad. I'm trying to be with you. I'm trying to be with you. I'm trying to be with you.
You've seen it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope that video made you guys just as happy as it made me, because I can't thank everybody enough. I can't thank my parents enough. I can't thank God enough for making this blessing even possible. I've been wanting this car for so long, and it's just unbelievable to finally get it right after my 21st birthday too. That's what hard work does for you. But man, you've seen it. Today's post notification shout out goes out to Brooklyn Pink. Yeah, Brooklyn Pink, shout out to you. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate all the comments you left. I read all the comments, and for all you haters, why are you hating? And for everybody that's showing me love, I can't thank you guys enough, because you guys are the ones that keep on pushing me and keep me wanting to do this more and more and get better at it day by day, so I can drop good content for you guys. If you want to post a notification shout out, all you got to do is go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button. Once you've done those three things, go comment done, so I know. You feel me? Nah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video made you guys smile. I hope it made you guys happy for me. One day I'll pick you guys up in it. Alright. And now I can start doing mukbangs and stuff. So a lot more videos coming soon. Alright, so stay tuned for that, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Deuces.